Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how I make my eba with microwave. So first of all, you are going to filter the garri because for my type I don't like seed in my eba. Filter it now, you can see, take away the seed. I don't like it. Imagine how this one will be on it. Here's the garri. So now add water, you turn it with spoon. It might look like you want to drink the garri, but no. Then you filter it. Yeah. So now add more little water. Don't add too much water so that it won't get too soft. So now we are going to put it in the microwave. This is how I make my eba to get that Nigeria texture of eba. Put it on 7 minutes to 10 minutes. Depends on the quantity you're making. Yeah. So now here's the eba. You can see how stretchy it is. Making eba with microwave is the best. So it's time to eat. Oh my God. Oh my God. My eba is very delicious. You can see the way it's going down. The food is sweet. Thanks for watching. It's the first time I'm coming across my videos. Please do follow me on my page on Facebook, on YouTube channel, in YouTube, and also in TikTok, Lilia Ende TV, in my Facebook page and my YouTube. In TikTok, The Woman of Prayer. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.